It's incredible that the current CHR has been on the market since late 2016. The tiny crossover from Japan has held up well over time, gaining a cult following of devoted owners drawn in by its unusual style and small size. Unfortunately, Toyota has chosen to discontinue the CHR crossover in North America in favor of the slightly bigger Corolla Cross, which has a wheelbase length of 103.9 inches, 2,640 millimeters. A second-generation CHR, however, is something the rest of the world may anticipate. We have depicted the upcoming CHR's innovative and edgy new look by examining the most recent patent leaks in excellent spy pictures, sifting through all the material we have in our possession before its anticipated introduction. The departing CHR may have been a game-changer for a corporation that had always played it safe by introducing a radical new design approach. To differentiate their automobiles from the mass market and the upcoming flood of Chinese models, the Japanese carmaker now pushes the boundaries of style even farther. First impressions suggest that the new CHR is practically a carbon copy of Toyota's 2022 Prologue concept, sharing its proportions, profile, and glass house design, as well as its distinctive, though humorously diminutive, rear doors. With G-clamp LED headlights that more than just remotely resemble the well-liked 2023 Prius, the 2024 CHR stands out for its dramatic and unconventional front-end design. With dynamic shapes and triangular creases, the sheet metal surfacing has been meticulously adjusted. The lower sill, front-end graphic, roof, and rear portion are all blacked out, and the designers have placed a lot of focus on contrasting body surfaces. While this startling contrast unquestionably grabs attention, it also makes one wonder about the probable manufacturing complexity needed to achieve such minute details. In terms of the inside, the new CHR will provide an upscale, technologically advanced cabin with enhancements to occupant space, comfort, and convenience. With a driver-focused cockpit and a dashboard that encircles the touchscreen interface, this car has a decidedly BMW character. The HVAC system is controlled by a row of piano key buttons, while the e-brake, drive mode selector, and gear lever are all located on a narrow ridge in the center console. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is one of the important features included in the new CHR. This function enables smooth smartphone integration. The car also has over-the-air auto update capability, so any software or system upgrades may be easily applied. A digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and other standout features will also be available, all of which will enhance the user-friendliness and sophistication of the driving experience. Likewise, the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which offers a variety of cutting-edge driver assistance features like pre-collision warning, pedestrian recognition, lane departure warning, steering assist, and dynamic cruise control, should be standard equipment on the CHR. For the new CHR, the Japanese car industry giant has committed to a variety of powertrain options that take into account various tastes and environmental factors. As it stated in its announcement from last year, these will include hybrid and plug-in hybrid models, with a fully battery-electric model perhaps making its debut later. Given that the new CHR shares the same TNGAC platform architecture as the most recent Prius, it is quite likely that both of the hybrid powertrains in the latter will be taken from the former's portfolio, enabling economies of scale and cost savings. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a new lithium-ion battery pack are used in the 2023 Prius base configuration, which produces a potent 194 horsepower, 145 kilowatt, 197 PS of power. There will be a PHEV option for individuals who want greater performance and the ease of home charging. This engine's 220 horsepower, 164 kilowatt, 223 PS output in the Prius is a significant 40 horsepower boost over the current CHR hybrid. With this variation, you should be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour in less than 7 seconds. Additionally, owners who choose this configuration can benefit from an EV mode range of up to 38 miles, 61 kilometers, extending the amount of time an electric vehicle can be driven before it needs to use an internal combustion engine. The brand new CHR will compete against tough rivals including the divisive new HR-V from Honda, the elegant Puma from Ford, the well-liked Kona from Hyundai, the sporty CX-30 from Mazda, the adaptable Seltos from Kia, the small T-Cross from Volkswagen, and the striking Juke from Nissan in a fiercely competitive market. Customers in this market sector will have many options to choose from to meet their tastes and wants thanks to the breadth of enticing solutions offered. Save the date because Toyota has confirmed that the new C8 Char will make its world debut on June 2026. Sales are expected to begin in the fourth quarter. And now let's take a closer look at the 2024 Mazda CX-30, which is the closest rival to the 2024 Toyota C8 Char. What's new for 2024? For 2024, a new carbon turbo trim is added to the lineup, sporting a stylish zircons and paint job, black painted wheels, and terracotta-colored leather seating. The 250 horsepower, 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine is the only one offered as standard equipment for the carbon turbo, as the name would imply. Despite being desirable, that 256 horsepower turbocharged engine is sadly only offered on the most expensive variants. We advise those buyers to stick with the Select trim because we believe the majority of individuals will find the standard offering to be satisfactory. The Select comes with keyless entry, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic warning. The same 191 horsepower 2.5-liter engine is standard across the lineup for non-turbo trim levels, and all-wheel drive is available as an option. A 2.5-liter, four-cylinder engine with 191 horsepower comes as standard in the CX-30. A 6-speed automatic transmission is mated to this engine and makes intelligent gear selections dependent on the driving environment. 250 horsepower is available from a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, which is an option. You'll find the CX-30 to be just as nimble, athletic, and entertaining to drive if you enjoy the Mazda 3 hatchback as we do. It feels stable when traveling because of its snappy steering and smooth body movements, which make driving it on a winding road a delight. The CX-30 took 8.1 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour according to reports, which was slower than rivals like the turbocharged Kona but far quicker than other non-turbocharged SUVs like the Kia Niro and the Subaru Crosstrek. With the optional turbocharged engine, a CX-30 was able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, which was a significant improvement over standard models. Fuel economy ratings for the non-turbo CX-30 are 26 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and 29 miles per gallon overall. These EPA figures are changed to 22 miles per gallon city, 30 miles per gallon highway, and 25 miles per gallon combined for the CX-30 with the turbocharged engine. The interior of the CX-30 is shared with the Mazda 3, which boasts a gorgeous, well-made interior that we adore. Upper and lower dash panels are separated by a row of temperature control buttons, and an infotainment display protrudes from the center of the dashboard. This display is operated by a rotary knob on the center console. Customers get a choice of an 8 or 12 speaker audio system, and heated front seats are an option. With leather upholstery, a power-operated rear liftgate, and other luxuries, upgrading to the top-spec premium trim, the CX-30 can compete with higher-end models from companies like the Lexus UX and the Mini Countryman. The CX-30 is not the most spacious SUV available when it comes to hauling goods, but you can put 6 carry-on suitcases behind the back seats and a total of 16 with the rear seats folding. The CX-30 has a typical 8.8-inch screen with Mazda Connected Services, which enables owners to lock and unlock, remote start, and monitor their vehicle through the My Mazda app. Along with having 2 front USB connections and Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, the CX-30 also has conventional Bluetooth. Along with Sirius XM satellite radio, technologies like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available. And so, which do you prefer? The 2024 Toyota C8 Char or the 2024 Mazda CX-30? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.